In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook Ads Manager for Instagram. Navigating through the world of online advertising can be a bit daunting at first, but fear not. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create and manage Instagram ads using Facebook's powerful ad platform. First things first, let's dive into Facebook Business Manager. This is essentially your command center for all things related to advertising on Facebook and Instagram. So start by heading over to the Facebook Business Manager site. Upon arriving at the site, you'll notice a button prompting you to log in with Facebook. Go ahead and click on it. This step is pretty straightforward, but it's crucial as it links your personal Facebook account to the Business Manager, allowing you to manage your ads more efficiently. After logging in, choose the account you want to manage. If you're managing multiple business pages or ad accounts, ensure you select the correct one to proceed with. This will take you to the main dashboard of the Business Manager. Now it's time to dive a bit deeper. Look for the Ads option on the lower left panel of the dashboard. Clicking on this will bring you closer to the heart of ad creation and management. Next up, click on Ads Manager. This is where the magic happens. The Ads Manager tool is incredibly versatile, offering a plethora of features to optimize your advertising efforts across Facebook and Instagram. Once inside Ads Manager, navigate to the Campaign section. Here you can view all your ongoing and past advertising campaigns. To manage Instagram ads, you'll be focusing on campaigns that are either currently running or in the planning stages. Keep moving forward by clicking on Ads within the Campaign section. This will display all the individual ads associated with your selected campaign, giving you a granular view of your advertising efforts. To edit an existing ad or start creating a new one, find and click on Edit in one of your ads. A screen will pop up offering various options to tweak your ad, including targeting, budget and creative elements. Now if you're looking to create a new engagement ad, locate and click on New Engagement Ad. Engagement ads are designed to spark interaction and build interest around your brand or products on Instagram. Progressing through the setup, you'll arrive at the Identity section. This part is crucial as it's where you'll define who you are as an advertiser. Are you advertising as your business page or as yourself? Make this clear here. To specifically target Instagram users, you'll need to connect your Instagram account. You can search for your account by name if it's already linked to your Facebook page, or you can connect your account manually if it's your first time. Alternatively, if your Instagram account isn't connected, you'll find an option to connect account. This process is straightforward and requires you to log into your Instagram account to establish the connection. Finally, after tweaking your ad to perfection, the last step is to publish it. Find and click on Publish to send your ad off into the world. Congratulations, you've just created an Instagram ad through Facebook Ads Manager. But here are a few extra tips to keep in mind. Always monitor your ads performance through the Ads Manager dashboard. Make use of the insights provided to optimize your future ads. And remember, testing different ad formats and creatives will help you discover what resonates best with your target audience. And there you have it. You're now equipped to use Facebook Ads Manager for Instagram, whether you're looking to boost your brand's presence, drive website traffic, or increase sales. The power is now at your fingertips. Happy advertising.